How to unlink your TikTok account with TikTok for Business. So in this video, I'll go ahead and show you guys how you guys can go ahead and do that. So let's just go ahead and get right in. So the common case with getting this error code is mainly when you've actually switched to a business account on TikTok. Now, when you want to switch back to your personal account, you will get this message that says to switch your account type, unlink your TikTok account. Now, to fix this, all you have to go ahead and do is head back to your settings and privacy over here, and you're going to want to go ahead and click security option. Once you go ahead and do that, you're going to want to make your way towards the third option that says manage app permissions. Now just go ahead and click on it. Now it should say here TikTok for Business. So all you have to do now is go ahead and click on it. And then after that, you're going to have to get rid of it. So you're going to have to remove the access here, and it's going to say remove TikTok for Business. Just go ahead and remove it. And that should actually fix the problem you are having, and it's going to allow you to unlink your TikTok account with TikTok for Business. So now if I head over to my account and switch to personal account, it's now going to allow me to do that. So I'm going to switch to account anyways, and it now has switched to my personal account. So that's how you go ahead and unlink your TikTok account with TikTok for Business. So hopefully you found this video extremely helpful. I didn't see a lot of videos regarding this certain topic, so hopefully you found it helpful, guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.